welcome. Today we're going to be looking at modifier placement on the SAT Writing and Language section. As always, we're going to be looking at 5 questions. We're going to explain each one of them to find the intricacies of this topic and help you ace the SAT Writing section. If you like these videos or find them informative, please be sure to like and subscribe. And with that, let's get started on our first question. Here it is. Since Miranda v. Arizona, subsequent Supreme Court cases have provided clear standards for respecting the constitutional rights taken into custody of an individual. Well, the constitutional rights taken into custody, the constitutional rights are not taken into custody, right? That's not what's being affected by the taken into custody, so that doesn't work. This is how you approach modifier placement forms. This thing, taken into custody, is the modifier, and you need to find which one it applies to. Well, it doesn't apply to the clear standards or the Supreme Court case taken into custody. It applies to the individual taken into custody, which is choice D. So that's our answer. Let's keep going. Standing next to his favorite character's wax replica at Madame Tussauds, Fritz bore an uncanny resemblance to E.T. Well, standing next to his favorite character's wax replica at Madame Tussauds, well, who is doing that standing? It's Fritz. So Fritz is going to be the one right here. Right, the model of E.T. is not the one standing. The everyone is not the one standing, and the uncanny resemblance is certainly not the one standing, right? It's the Fritz that's standing. So this Fritz matches up with this clause, so our answer is A. Let's keep going. Completely focus on the plot of his audiobook. That's this part, and that Ruben is the one who's completely focused on the plot of the audiobook. So Ruben is going to be first, and that's our answer. It's not, it was an accident, or an accident occurred, or the brownies that were completely focused on the plot of his audiobook. It's Ruben, so our answer is A. After finishing the relay race, well, who finished the relay race? The runners did. The runners returned the batons for the bomb. So that's our answer. Having been right to write an essay on metaphors and Moby Dick. Who's going to write an essay? Who's being asked to write the essay? The students. Most of the students chose to write about the white whale. So that is our answer. As you can see in modifier placement, it's really just about matching up what is being talked about, right, with which modifier it has. So when you have a sentence like this, you should consider who is doing that action, and that's the first word here. And when you have something that is a modifier that's being put everywhere, you need to figure out what it actually is affecting. That is it for modifier placement, and I'll see you next time.